Hey guys, I'm Joel with Coreware, and today I am going to introduce to you one of our newest distributors, Orion Wholesale. Now, I'm really excited about this because one thing in particular that they do, and I'm going to let Brent tell you, but one thing in particular they do is they make things available to the small dealer that the small dealer may not have access to otherwise. And I am all for that. There are tons of small mom and pop gun shops out there that can't get certain product because they don't have a huge, cash reserve to go put in these big, massive orders that some of these companies require. So Orion does a really good job of that. But today, who we have is Justin Brown, who is absolutely not important at all to this conversation. No, he's actually their marketing director, and we have actually Orion Wholesale Actual. And for those of you who were in the military or in the military currently, you know that means he is just the top dog at Orion, and it's Brent Taylor. So Brent, can you tell us a little bit about Orion? Tell us your story and just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yep, for sure. Well, I appreciate it. Orion, we're not a very old company. We've been really growing fast these last few years, pushing and shoving to just go get market share. And we're really working hard to do things to differentiate ourselves from the competition and all the other distributors. And one thing that, Joel, you were just hitting on, I believe, is we distribute Kimber. Kimber America, 1911s, obviously great iconic brand in our industry. And a lot of dealers, you can buy direct as a master dealer, but like Joel was mentioning, it's a pretty steep buy-in, and we've worked out a partnership with Kimber to where we are authorized to distribute for them. So we have literally thousands of Kimbers on hand in inventory, hundreds of models, and they're available to ship 24/7 to our dealers. So it's been a really good thing for the smaller independent brick and mortar stores to be able to get Kimber from Orion. So,
And that's just one thing that Orion does. I'm really impressed with that because again, you hear these horror stories of these people really wanting to stock these premium brands, and they can't because they don't have the cash to buy in.
yep.
So for Orion to go out there and do the legwork for, you guys, that's really an awesome thing. So Brent, how big of a facility do you guys operate out of?
Yep. So we just moved in about a year ago to a brand new 130,000 square foot facility, brand new, state of the art. We've got some pretty good automation in the warehouse to make sure we're shipping efficiently. But again, it's in Jeffersonville, Indiana, which is just north of Louisville, Kentucky, and it's an awesome place. If you ever get a chance to come by, we would always invite dealers to come tour our facility too. But it's really exciting. We're glad to be in here. Much better than our last place. Our last place was a dump, so it's like
No,
it's
hey,
all.
that's
Yeah.
that's how you're supposed to progress. So at least you're going up and not down.
Yep.
Well, let me ask you this: 130,000 square feet. That's a pretty, large facility. How many lines do you carry there?
So we're, I think, right now around 120 different manufacturers we distribute for. It's always growing, but about 120.
Nice. So, guys, I just wanted to bring Orion Wholesale to your attention. They're a distributor now that you can choose if you use Core Force. And I would highly encourage you to reach out, get to know them, see what they have to offer. Now, Justin, I didn't want you to just sit there and not say anything. I want you to just tell us. Now, Justin's their marketing director, so I promise he's got a personality. I think I just intimidate him. Or it's the three guys with the AKs standing to his left that
Yeah.
are threatening him right now. No, go ahead, Justin. Tell us a little bit about yourself and what you're doing to reach out to these dealers that may be able to use you guys.
Yeah. So I've been with the company about 3 years now. But one of the things I really want to talk about is, bring Coreware, on board, with Orion. It's been a huge, huge project, but it's been very rewarding since the start, especially where we had came from. The facility and the website kind of equaled out. And now we have a great facility and a great website. So it's kind of a cool growing point, if you want to, say it those terms. But, ways that we're trying to help, dealers get acclimated to the site is, first of all, getting our sales staff acclimated because they're the ones that are talking to, their customers on a daily basis. And basically, I'm funneling any questions, if that's account setups or, ordering difficulties or, setting up the API integration, which is a huge thing that we're working on. And it's a big process that is going to help, Orion grow further and further. And anybody that tunes in to watch this, I encourage, if you are going to, set up with Orion and you have an online store, to please reach out and get hooked up through our API, because we offer, most of our inventory through that API integration, and it's an easy way for you to get a sale. So, that's kind of what I'm doing in a nutshell, other than, our digital presence, on a daily basis.
That's awesome. So Orion is a 21st century company. They've got all the latest and greatest in distribution. They're able to get the orders out quick, accurately, and we are so happy to have them as one of the distributors that we offer you as one of our customers. So if you're interested in anything at all in regards to Orion or Coreware in general, please let me know. Until then, thank you, Brent. Thank you, Justin, so much, and we will see you in the next video.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.